Hey everybody, today is Tuesday, March 9th, and I'm going to show you how to do the pronunciation on page 14. This is the orange homework, the orange paper. It's about the family reunion. And page 14, I gave a different audio, voice message audio for the listening, and now this is for pronunciation. So for pronunciation, listen and check S, Z, or is, right? S, Z, or is. To show the pronunciation of the final sounds and the plural nouns below. So listen, and what do you hear? I'll give you a few examples. So number one, relatives. Relatives. Number one, relatives. Relative. So think one relative, two relatives. Relatives. For me, I just hear Z. I don't hear another. I don't hear relative, right? Relative. Relative is, no, not four syllables. Like, relative, 3 syllables. Relative is 4 syllables? No. Relatives. Just the Z sound. Right? But you don't hear S sound. Relatives. No. Relatives. Z. Number 2. Responses. Responses. Right? 1. Response. Response. 2 syllables. 2 or 3. Responses. 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 3 syllables. Responses. I hear is. Right? So I don't hear response. Responses. I hear response. Responses. 1 more syllable. Is. This is kind of like the ED. It's the same kind of rule, but for the Z is. For this one, if it's a sound, we need responses. Aunts. Number 3, aunts. 1 aunt, aunt, 2 aunts, or 3 aunts. 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 Do you hear Z or is? Aunt, aunts. Aunt, aunts. Yeah, I hear a sound. Right, there's a sound. Do you get the idea? I'll finish this. If you don't understand, don't worry. We'll do it in class on Thursday. So number 4, reunions. 1 reunion, 2 reunions, or 3 reunions. Reunion. 3 syllables. Reunion. Plural. Reunions. Reunions. 3 syllables. Check. What do you hear? Z or is? Reunions. Number 5. Cousins. Cousins. 1 cousin, 2 or 3 cousins. 4 cousins. Cousins. Cousin, cousins. Do you hear Z or is? Cousins. Number 6. Invitations. Invitations. 1 invitation, 2 or 3 more invitations. Plural invitations. Invitation. 4 syllables. Invitation. Plural. Invitations. 4 syllables. Invitations. Number 7. Brothers. Brother. 1 brother. 2 syllables, right? Brother. 1 brother. 2 brothers. Brothers. 3 brothers. 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 1 brother. 2 brothers. 8. plans. Plans. 1 plan, 2 plans, 3 plans. Plan, plans, plans. What are your plans? 9, messages. 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 1 message, 2 or 3 messages. Message. Messages. Message. 1 message. Right? 2 syllables. Message. More than 1 messages. 3 syllables. Messages. Check. And 10, uncles. Uncles. 1 uncle, singular uncle, 1 uncle. 2 uncles or 3 uncles. Uncles. Uncle. 1 uncle, 2 uncles. Good luck. Check all of these, and we'll check them in class on Thursday. If you don't understand, just tell me I don't understand. It's okay. We'll keep studying together. It's maybe difficult with, I don't know, with listening, I don't know. On Zoom or on YouTube. Do your best. Good luck. I'll see you Thursday.